Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to prepare our own pineapple juice. So all that we'll be needing is our pineapple and ginger to give it a mint flavor. We are not going to add any sugar, but after tasting it and you feel like adding sugar, I would advise you to add only honey and not the white sugar. So with the help of my favorite knife, let's peel our pineapple. So what we need to do is to peel off the skin. So after taking the skin off, we are going to boil it for 3 minutes. Then we use the water that we use for boiling to blend the pineapple. Now that the skin is off, we're going to chop everything into cubes and put it in our blender. You have to chop it into smaller size to help blend it fast. Other than that, you put too much stress on your blender. So we have it chopped. We will put the skin in our saucepan and boil it for 2 minutes. So the juice that will come out of this will be used to blend our pineapple. We chop our ginger too. With the ginger, you can add as many as you want. You can take the skin off. You can choose to blend everything together without taking the skin. But with mine, I took the skin off. Okay, so it's ready. Let's take it off the fire and strain it.
Missy Maria Zinina Mawo. When you Ashemima, baby. Demincy, don't you break my heart.
So we have our ginger and the pineapple fruit in it. We're going to add our cooked pineapple skin, the water that we used to cook the pineapple skin, and blend everything. So let's strain our juice. So you can see we didn't add any extra water to it. It's just the water that we used to boil the skin of the pineapple. Yes. So you can put it in the freezer for some minutes, but it's very nice when you serve it chilled. Our pineapple juice is ready. We are going to serve it chilled with the help of our ice cubes. So join me. Let's enjoy our pineapple juice. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hey, don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching and cheers.
Come on, Polly.